What's up, good people? I know the audio is a little different, and this is for Mother's Day. All right, for those of you that's new to the channel, we talk about stock here all of the time, but it being Mother's Day, this is a special about Mother's Day. So do me a favor, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell, and ride with this family known as Stock Up. We all pitch in and help with each other and help with stock. But this is a different day. This is Mother's Day weekend, and we're going to honor mothers. And so what I'm going to say about stock is that I'm going to encourage every one of you to not just my page, but if you are a husband, open up an account for your wife, your daughters, your girlfriends, or your mothers, right? And if you're a single woman, open up an account for yourself and start building generational wealth. And when I mean an account, I mean a brokerage account. You have Fidelity, you have Schwab, you have all of these different brokerage accounts. And in myself, I have a brokerage that I help to promote called Webull. There's a link provided below. And you just download it, deposit $100 and get 2 free stock. But we're going to talk about mothers today, okay? One of the things that I noticed, and I'm so happy that in my analytics, they talk about the ratio of men to women. When I first started, it was only 9% women. But as I look today, it is 23.2% women and 76.8% men. Now, that looks small, but my female viewership has doubled. And that's what's up. As they say, that's really, really cool, because we're getting our daughters, our sisters, our wives, our girlfriends, our fiancés, we're getting them involved in building generational wealth. So that makes me happy. It just shows that we have growth. We have to look out for our ladies, okay? Now, I have a special guest in the house, if you guys haven't noticed. We have the same name because he's my brother's son. This is my nephew. My real name is Lawrence Jones. His name is Lawrence Jones. We're both actually musicians and artists. He is, what are you, on the road with, you finna go on the road with Jennifer Hudson? Mm-hmm. He had a video. I started to have you bring that video. He was on a tour. He did a tour with Nick Jonas when he was doing his solo thing, and you have to see it on the tour bus when they were rehearsing, and you just walk by it. If I find that video, I got it. Who else have you played for?
I've done some work with Fred Hammond.
Fred, oh yeah, he was with Fred for what, 5 years? For those of you that don't know the gospel industry, he's done stuff with Fred Hammond and countless others. He's so humble, just like Rodney East. For those of you that watched the Valentine's special, if you haven't, just look on my page and watch the Valentine's Day special. We had the great Rodney East, who tours with Yolanda Adams and so many others. But he just happens to be my nephew, and this is a touching Mother's Day for me and for him, because those of you that been following for a while, you know, my mom passed, and me and my mom were like this. I really, really was close to my mom. I talked to my mom every day. She was one of my best friends. And for those of you that, if you really think about it, especially young men, especially men, your mother's the very first person that you fall in love with as a child when you think about it. Like, she's the first woman you see. She's the first woman that shows you love, and she's actually the first woman that every man falls in love with. That's his mother. And we're honoring mothers today, all right? Mothers, we honor you, especially for those of you that are championing it by yourself. You're doing it all by yourself. We salute you. We want to tell you that we love you and you are valued. And if you never hear it before, we want to say thank you. I mean, if you never hear, from anyone else, we want to say thank you for doing all that you do. I see the mothers at the grocery store, at the restaurants, crossing the street in the parks, jogging with their babies, and it's quite a task. And God bless the mothers. So remember that song? I'm going to play a song at the end of this That Dear Mother song. I wrote a song called Dear Mother. Dear Mama, remember that? It was, Dear Mama, I took the time to write you a letter. Heard you were down. Hope this make you feel. Slow it down a little bit. Yeah, slow it. A little slower. I can't sing it like the original artist. Dear Mama, I took the time to write you a letter. Heard you were down. Hope this make you feel better. Thank you for the things. I can't even think of the words of my own song. Oh, your tender love and care, come what may, you were always right there. Okay, and now I can clearly see all the tender love you've given to me. I'm gonna cut it off right there. I'm jacking my own song up. But at the end of this video, I'm gonna leave a link right here. The great Keon Gibson song, the song. You know, writers out there, you know, we write this stuff and then we forget our own lyrics. But it's a beautiful song and it's a salute to mothers. Why don't you play something of your own choosing for mothers? Let's just bless the mothers out there. I could sing, I would say, you are so beautiful. To me, again, you are so beautiful. You're everything I hope for. Everything to me. You are so beautiful to me. And then the other verse goes, such joy and happiness. Every mother, you bring, changing the diapers, the bottles. Such joy and happiness. I'm a bass player, not a singer. I'm sorry, ladies. You bring I know this is a little different for you guys, but this was what was on my heart. You know, I do things different here. I'm about inspiration. We're about making money in stocks and everything. I know some of you guys are going, really? But some of you guys needed this. Some of you ladies, I know you are on this battle or you're on this journey alone. You needed to hear this from somebody. And so for those of you fellas out there, if you think that this would make your mother's day or your sister's day or your wife or your loved one, send it to her. And we just want to salute all of the mothers. We're just going to cut it off right there. That's all I had. I didn't have anything pre-prepared. I just wanted to shoot from the heart. And I want to thank my nephew from coming out. I just said, hey, just come by and bring your guitar. And he's like, what are we going to do? I was like, I don't know. So we just want to say happy Mother's Day to you guys. And let's see, can we play something like a hymn, like Amazing Grace? Mm-hmm. All right. Hey, listen, I wrote a song called Dear Mama, Tender Love. Dear Mama, Tender Love. I'm going to have the link provided. Please, guys, I want you to send this to your mothers. If you're a mother, I want you to watch this and know. So it was I shot a video, and it's about a young man who calls his mother, has her come to a theater, and he surprises her with this song. And I'm very proud of it, and I hope you guys are blessed by it, and I hope you enjoy it. Lawrence, take us out. God bless you.